These two things only you have to keep in text if you are looking for a wide range of free courses. Which I want to mention just one thing I've read somewhere: rich people buy time, poor people buy materialistic stuff, ambitious people buy skill. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to talk about how to learn any technology in efficient way. Nowadays what's happening, people are often confused because they have abundance of resources and they don't know how to utilize them. And even my friends, my classmates also ask how you learn, from where you learn, a lot of questions they have. And even initially when I was starting learning these technologies, I also had same confusions. But till now I am doing mobile app development from last 2 years. In this journey I have figured out a lot of things to learn things fast. And also I'm going to talk about some resources that could be useful for you. So let's start. So firstly, let me tell you, this 21st century is the century of information. Nowadays, billions of information are available in just few clicks. It could be in the form of videos, tutorials, blogs, courses, and many more things are available nowadays. And because of these things only, we have a lot of options. And because of these options, we often confuse from where to learn, which resources is best for me. A lot of these type of questions came to our mind. And nowadays things are moving so fast, we often feel disconfident how we can survive in this fast moving AI era. And one thing, as you all know, learning quickly is very important. Many people are talking about now.
What do you think kids should be studying these days?
Resilience, adaptability, a high rate of learning.
Learning how to learn is the most important skill, whether you are in tech, business, personal development, or just about any topic or any other field. It's very important. If you grab things fastly, you will be the ahead of 90% people. So now let's talk about resources. So see, mostly the resources which are on the internet are unorganized. You have to figure out yourself what is working for you. So now what I'm going to tell you is most effective way to learn any technology. And this method, this technique, you can say worked very well for me. And not only I use this method, but many of people have seen they also use this method to learn any technology. So to learn any technology, there are billions of resources on the internet. But as I said earlier, those are mostly unorganized or not beginner friendly. And some are good, but they are not easy to find. And in those resources, we have basically text form resources, videos form resources, mostly are two types. And in text-based resources, basically we have some websites, some blogs, tutorials. And for videos form, we have YouTube, or you can say some website, courses website, where you can find videos format learnings. So right now what we have to do, we just have to select our text form also or videos form also. We have to select both formats of learning, because what text format learnings can't do, video can, but what video cannot, text-based learning can, because nothing can be explained in a single video. But in videos we can learn from visual representation that often can be very easy to understand any topic. So that's why we have to select both type of resources firstly. So as of now, let's say I have to learn a mobile app development. Okay, so for that what I will do, I will find a good blog for my relevant technology. And secondly, I will also have to keep official documentation. Every technology has their own website, their own official website, where you can find a lot of references, a lot of official things that will help you a lot in the journey. Suppose if you have to learn Java, you can find its official website, java.org or something will be like that. So these two things only you have to keep in text-based format. Whenever you are learning any technology, you must read their documentation. The blog that you will select, it will be easier to read, because in official documents, generally those documentation, those pages are not beginner friendly. So you will find these blogs are quite helpful for beginners. I always read blog regarding my own technologies that help me to keep updated myself. And second resource format is video format. Okay, so where can we find videos? Mostly on YouTube and some courses sites like Udemy and Coursera, and there are many also. I'm mentioning two only. So mainly we can find videos here only. For learning any technology, you can go through random videos on YouTube, and also you can go through with courses. I will recommend courses, because courses are far better than random YouTube videos, because courses are designed for beginner friendly and can level up your skills from year to year. They are designed for beginner to advanced mostly. So courses you can find on many sites. There are some free sites and there are some paid sites. Paid sites examples are Udemy and Coursera, but I'm going to share some free sites also where you can find all the courses almost free. Number one is Open University. Open University offers thousands of free courses on their platform called Open Learn. These courses cover topics ranging from science, technology, and business to arts. A lot of courses you can find there. Number 2 from Google Digital Garage. Google offers a variety of free courses here, including topics like digital marketing, data analytics, and even career development. A lot of courses also are mentioned here. What's cool about Digital Garage is that many of the courses are beginner friendly and certified by big names like Google and other professional organizations. Imagine adding a Google certified course on your resume. That's awesome, right? Number 3, Allison.com. This platform is perfect if you are looking for a wide range of free courses with certification options. Allison offers thousands of free courses in almost every field. You can think of business, health, IT, languages, and many more. They even have specialized diplomas and learning paths to help you gain mastery in your chosen field. Get certificate in all these 3 sites, whatever I mentioned. So these are some free resources. You can go and get courses from there also for your relevant technology. But if you want to go in paid section, you can go on Udemy and Coursera. There are also a lot of courses for every technology and mostly they are value for money. And you should invest in your learning because learning is the best investments you can ever make. I want to mention just one thing I've read somewhere. Rich people buy time, poor people buy materialistic stuff, ambitious people buy skills, and lazy people buy distractions. And I think this is true for most people nowadays. Even we are also kind of in the same trap. So let's come to the topic. So yeah, if you are starting stuff, you must go for courses. And also on YouTube you can find a lot of good resources, but on YouTube you will have to do a lot of research, then only you can find a good resource. But on those courses people teach very nicely and also they will provide a lot of resources that you can go through. Those courses will help you a lot because I'm saying with my personal experience, those courses can help a lot in your initial days. And if after you reach a level, then if you will go on YouTube, then those videos whatever are on YouTube you can easily understand. And also if you will read some blog tutorials solving your queries on Stack Overflow, you can easily understand those languages very well after that level. And one thing I forget to mention, whatever you are learning, whatever technology you are learning, make sure to learn by building stuff. There is a technique called project based learning which prefer a lot of institutions nowadays, where people learn by doing things. Nowadays some tech school like Newton Tech School, Scalar School of Technology, they follow the concept of this all. In those schools their students learn by doing actual project. Many studies have shown project based learning are the best methods to learn anything. And my last favorite personal, my most loved tips for you, which is focus at one technology at a time. Remove all options, all alternatives. There is a one line, if you want to focus on something, remove all the alternatives. And this work in everything. In learning also it works. In our case, if you want to learn any technology, we just have to stick with one thing, one technology for minimum 1 to 2 years, then only you can get the taste of it. Otherwise you won't be able to realize what the taste of that technology. And never be demotivated at initial days because no one learns 100% when they start. A lot of things are there to learn in their journey also. I'm saying this because guys like me and many other people, with 90% people are get demotivated in initial days when things don't work in their favor. Just be loyal to one thing and master that particular technology that you love most. AI will take the job of mostly people who are on surface. AI will not take job who are master of their technology. So that's it. I shared all the stuff regarding learning, from where you have to learn, how you have to learn, which resources and how you have to utilize them. You just have to act on that. And I hope this video was helpful and informative to you. And what was your favorite part? Make sure to comment below. And if you want to give some feedback, some suggestion, you can also give that in the comment box. And don't forget to like this video, and for more such content make sure to subscribe. Till then, keep building and keep exploring.